Hello, thanks for watching our video. Today we're going to show you how to take apart and repair a 68 to 82 power window switch. We've got an original GM switch here. Normally what we do, and I've already messed with a few of them, but I'll uncrimp them and use this little side cutter here, this little cutter, and actually you can get a hold of it like that, if you can see, and you can get behind it and you can straighten out. They're crimped over. You can see where the side's been crimped over. This is pot metal. And as long as you can get those four straightened, there you go. And if it breaks, it's not really a big issue because you can crimp it elsewhere and still get the switch to stay in. Once you get it uncrimped, you'll see the bottom of the switch comes out. Now, if you want to mark it, you can take your pin and mark which way it comes apart, or you can just hold on to it. As you can see here, that's the original switch, and it's got a little plastic shield over top of it. Underneath that shield is a set of contactors. And this switch is so basic, it's really silly, because this is held in with a little toggle, and you can see all the crud that gets down inside of them. And I don't know if you can see in there or not. Can you see in there, Kevin? Let's see. But you'll find that this button is pinned in, and it's just kind of staked over. You can see right there. Kind of amazed at what's inside the switch. Okay. But you can clean the switch out. Then what we're going to do is we'll take some sandpaper, and usually they fail because these contactors burn. So if you want to zoom in, you can see the contactors, and there's a little bit of burn on this one right here. So, and usually what I'll do is I'll just take a little piece of sandpaper, I'll put it inside of here, I'll force it down, and I'll be done with it. And you look at the next side, and you can see the same thing. This one's pretty wore as well. I've got a point file here somewhere. I'll have to find it. But this is, I guess, the way you would do it at home. If you push down, it will sand them flat, so they make good contact. And you can see there that it's making real good contact. Over here, it's making real good contact. And then what you want to do is you just put it back together. You take your little shield and you want to put it on here. That's the way it came out, so that's the way it goes back. And you put this back in here, you force it down, and then you want to take a stake and hold it, if you can hold it, and crimp that over, make sure it's all the way down. You get the idea. So that's how you rebuild the switch. Once this is in and staked, the switch is good, and it'll work. So that pretty much wraps it up. It's pretty simple. If you get a chance, visit our website. It's willcoxcorvette.com. There's 2 L's in Willcox. Thanks for watching the video.